Have you ever felt lost trying to move your crypto from an exchange to your personal wallet? It can feel overwhelming, especially with all the talk about different wallets, networks, and potential fees. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to withdraw from Kraken to Trust Wallet. If you've ever stared at your Kraken account wondering how to get your precious crypto safely into your Trust Wallet, you're in the right place. We're going to break this down step by step, making the process as clear and easy as possible. No confusing jargon, just practical instructions you can follow along with. Before we dive in, it's important to understand a few key concepts. First, Kraken is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, meaning they hold your crypto for you. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is a non-custodial mobile wallet, giving you control of your private keys and, therefore, your crypto. Moving your crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet is essentially transferring it from their custody to your own. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, there are several reasons. Many people prefer the added security and control that comes with holding their own private keys. With Trust Wallet, you have complete control. It also opens up a world of possibilities, like interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, and participating in DeFi, decentralized finance. Before we start the actual withdrawal process, let's make sure you have everything you need. Obviously, you'll need a Kraken account with the crypto you want to withdraw. You'll also need a functioning Trust Wallet installed on your mobile device. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, you can easily download it from your phone's app store. It's free and relatively simple to set up. Just remember to store your recovery phrase in a safe place, preferably offline. This phrase is your only way to recover your wallet if you lose your phone, so treat it like gold. Okay, let's get into the step-by-step process of withdrawing from Kraken to Trust Wallet. First, log into your Kraken account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Navigate to the Withdraw section. This is usually found under Funding or a similar menu. Now, here's the crucial part. You need to select the correct cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Kraken offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so double-check you've chosen the right one. Next, you need to provide the withdrawal address. This is where your Trust Wallet comes in. Open your Trust Wallet app and select the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing from Kraken. For example, if you're withdrawing Bitcoin from Kraken, you need to select Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet. You'll then see an option to receive. Tap on it, and your Trust Wallet will generate a unique address for that specific cryptocurrency. This is the address you need to copy. Be absolutely certain you've selected the correct cryptocurrency on both Kraken and Trust Wallet. Sending the wrong cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in the permanent loss of your funds. This is not something you want to happen, so triple-check everything. Once you've copied the receiving address from your Trust Wallet, go back to your Kraken withdrawal page and paste it into the withdrawal address field. Again, double-check that the address is correct and matches the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. Kraken might also ask you for a withdrawal label. This is just a way for you to identify the transaction later, so you can call it something like Trust Wallet Transfer or whatever you prefer. Now, you'll need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees. Kraken will usually display these fees before you confirm the transaction. These fees go to the network miners who process the transaction, not to Kraken or Trust Wallet. Once you've entered the amount, review all the details one last time: the cryptocurrency, the withdrawal address, the amount, and the fees. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. Kraken might require you to complete additional security steps, like entering a two-factor authentication code, to verify the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed, the transaction will be submitted to the blockchain. The time it takes for the crypto to arrive in your Trust Wallet depends on the specific cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Some transactions are processed quickly, while others might take a bit longer. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal on the Kraken platform or by using a blockchain explorer. Just paste the transaction ID provided by Kraken into the explorer to see its progress. While you're waiting for the withdrawal to complete, it's a good time to reiterate some important security tips. Never share your Trust Wallet recovery phrase with anyone. Keep it stored offline, preferably in a physical format, like written on a piece of paper or stored in a hardware wallet. Be wary of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or enter your wallet information on untrusted websites. Always double-check the withdrawal address before confirming any transaction. And finally, if you're withdrawing a large amount of cryptocurrency, consider doing a small test transaction first to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the crypto should arrive in your Trust Wallet. You'll see the balance update in your wallet app. Congratulations, you've successfully withdrawn from Kraken to Trust Wallet. You now have full control of your crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.